everybody. Welcome to another episode of Sistering with Mel and Lynn. Hi, Mel.
Hi, Lynn. Kamusta?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay din naman. Excited ka ba para sa topic natin for today?
Yes, super excited.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about self-discipline and yung struggles, diba? Yung mga nagsa-struggle din. Lahat naman tayo may struggle sa self-discipline. What are we going to do about it? Or yung siguro share tips on how to improve
Mhm.
self-discipline. Yan.
Yeah. O kaya actually pag pinag-uusapan yung self-discipline, medyo ko dyan, tumataas yung heart rate ko. Kasi guilty. Guilty ako kasi I know that self-discipline is something that is really important to have.
Mm-mm.
Pero somehow, medyo restrictive yung feeling sa
Mm,
akin. Parang
mhm.
evokes a negative emotion kasi
Yeah,
parang
yeah.
parang strict na parang nafo-force ako to do something kasi
Mm.
parang or siguro rin parang growing up dapat you have this, meron kang
Oo.
self-discipline, gano'n. So yun, dahil nga medyo guilty ako, wala akong masyado niyan.
Mm.
So, yeah, that's why excited akong pag-usapan natin 'to today.
Yes. So parang you feel restricted about yung idea, parang nabobox ka, parang 'di ba
Yeah,
hindi
like
ka
'pag sinasabi na you have to have self-discipline. Parang minsan pa may sasabi, "This is the secret sauce to success," mga ganyan. So,
oo.
parang you have to have this. Ako naman parang yun nga napupuwersa ako minsan, parang feeling ko
Mm.
you are forced to do something, just to prove na
Mm.
ito kasi may self-discipline ako kaya
Yeah.
na-achieve ko 'to, nagawa ko 'to, ganyan. So,
Hmm.
para sa mga kagaya ko na nagse-struggle with self-discipline,
Mm.
alam ko, ikaw parang do you really struggle with self-discipline?
Oo, nagsa-struggle din, pero, I crave this the structure. Yung may routine, yung may
Hmm,
yun talaga yung mas gusto ko. Parang dun ako nagta-thrive. Nagta-thrive ako sa gano'n. Pero, um, siyempre nagbabago yung seasons of life, 'di ba? Ngayon, hindi na lang naman ako mag-isa nag-ooperate sa buhay ko. May mga like may mga bata, may mga kids, ganyan. Tapos, family na
mhm,
kailangan you have to attend to. So, hindi
yeah,
na siya ganun kadali. Hindi siya talaga ganun kadali for me. Nagbago. Nagbago yung um, even my own definition of ano siguro and expectations of self-discipline. So, parang kung dati um, talagang nakaplan lahat ng schedule for the day and all, ganyan-ganyan. And even yung, let's say, I came to a point na like weekly clothes naka-ready. Parang naka-plan na ito yung susuotin ko for the week, ganyan.
okey.
Naka-color code yon like this week, ganito, it gives me freedom not to think of small things. Yun
Yeah,
yung feeling ko. Kaya ko siya kini-crave.
mm,
Kasi nababawasan ako mga decisions. So, it gives
yeah,
me freedom to think of things na mas gusto ko.
mm,
Rather than, ano susuotin ko? Parang ganyan.
yeah,
So, yun yung wiring ko. Not for anything, pero ganun lang talaga yung nature. Ganun lang siya yung nature para sa akin. And I know iba-iba tayo. Pero ngayon, hindi na ganun.
mm,
Kasi may mga, like, yan, clothes. Parang, minsan, may mga clothes din yung mga anak mo na kailangan mong, 'di ba? So parang ang dumami na, hindi na lang kasi ikaw.
mm,
So, mas mahirap na, mas challenging na siya ngayon, yung para sa akin yung self-discipline.
mhm. Okey. So, pero ano yung mga tips na you can give us about how you sustain yung self-discipline?
Mm,
Parang
mm,
hindi naman, palagi or strictly na
mm,
everyday you are so disciplined na ito talaga nagawa mo lahat,
mm,
yung pinlano mo
mm.
na gagawin. Siyempre may mga surprises yung buhay, 'di ba? So,
Oo, oo.
Pero how do you sustain it? Like generally, having self-discipline na parang naging part na siya ng everyday life mo?
Mm. Ako nagsa-start sa owning your time and how to spend it for the day.
Mhm.
Like,
Paano yun?
like, like parang, first, yeah, you should have, like, siguro, tomorrow, ano yung gagawin mo? Like, you know it already. Alam mo na yung um, magiging flow ng work tomorrow or ng day mo.
Hindi.
Ganyan. So you own it. You know how to spend your time, how much time you're going to spend here on this particular task or with this particular person, meeting this ganyan, traveling and all and all. So yun. That's first. Kailangan sa'yo ang oras. Hindi ka nakadepende sa oras ng iba.
Mhm.
Yeah, kasi
Okay.
para sa akin, this is just me. I don't know kung may mga ibang nakaka-relate din, but this is how I connect it to like discipline. So I will fill up my day. So paano ko siya igagawin? So kung may mga task that involves other people or at least I'll be waiting for their approval or their example na lang. Pag may
Mm.
binili ka ngayon, 'di ba? Tapos um iintayin mo na dumating? Or ikaw ba, halimbawa ako I'm selling, ikaw ba magbo-book or ako ang or si customer?
Okay.
Ikaw, parang ano para sa'yo? Halimbawa, ikaw ang seller.
Mm.
Will you book the order yourself papunta sa seller, sa customer? Or
Mm.
iintayin mo si customer mag-book and then
Oo.
para iaabot mo na lang sa rider?
Mm. Ako na lang
Para sa'yo, which
magbo-book.
one?
Ako na lang
Oo, ako
magbo-book.
din, yeah. For
Kasi
me, ang choice
instead
ko
na
din,
intay ako ng intay, 'di ba,
yes.
tapusin
So,
ko na.
parang ganon sa akin. Ako din, ang default ko, although mas mahirap yon, pero dahil I value more time ownership, my own time, owning my time. Gusto ko nang matapos siya. Gusto ko na siyang
Yeah.
magawa sa sarili kong, in my own terms, sa sarili kong oras, 'di ba? So, yun.
Mm.
Instead of me waiting for the customer to book and ako
Mm.
nagiintay. Parang ganon. So,
Yeah.
yun yung isa. So, run through your day. Kaya minsan nakakainis yung ganon. Nakakainis. Doon ako nahihirapan kapag I know I'll be waiting for a particular, like a decision, a move,
Mm.
or something that wala akong
Yeah.
control. Siguro yon yung control talaga, siguro yung meron ako, controlling, sabihin natin controlling ako, yon. In a way, nagkakaroon siya ng positive effect into self-discipline.
It
Yun.
translates into
Yeah,
self-discipline.
yeah.
So papaano, like for example, the night before paplanuhin mo na yung
Mm.
mga gagawin mo the following day
Yes, yes.
or maybe for the entire week parang paplanuhin
Um,
mo?
yeah. I do it like with my team, sa business to or sa family.
Mm.
Sa business, kasi mas priority, honestly, aminin na natin, when it comes to schedule, mas priority namin yung business schedule. Kaya, so, in business, I schedule it for the week. Ano yung mga tasks na ako ang lalabas, may meet ako, saan ba yan, ganyan. So, for the entire week yan. We do it every Monday. Tapos, sa bahay naman, we do it the night before. Like, nag-uusap talaga kami mag-asawa. Anong schedule natin tomorrow? So, ganito, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Sinong
Mm.
lalabas? Dalawa ba tayo? Lahat,
Ikaw
buong family
lang.
ba tayo? Or ikaw lang? We even have, ngayon, talagang dati, di ba? Parang kung single ka, idadrop mo lang ba ako? Or, di ba? Or sasama ka sa meeting, something like that. Mga ganon. So, ngayon, parang we even have to, mahirap na nga kasi dahil apat kami na kailangan umalis pag buong family. So, may mga times na we have to say, we all have to take a bath tonight. Kasi we cannot afford to take a bath in the morning. So, parang na kami Japanese. Naliligo kami. Tapos hindi na kami di ba ganon? Di ba? Hindi, pumapasok talaga sila sa office ng they woke up like that and then they go to work. So, parang just to make sure na makakaalis kami sa oras na sa tamang oras, 'di ba ganyan. So, and bubuhatin na lang ba, gigisingin ba yung mga bata or bubuhatin na lang tas tuloy nila yung nila sa car o anong lulutuin ko, anong babaoning food because may special diet din kami. Yung mga ganon. So, kaya kailangan talaga like medyo mas mahabang preparation. So, yun. So, merong meron ng idea kung ano yung mga lakad for the entire week. Tapos, yung details na lang, like what time tayo aalis, sino kasama, anong dala, yan, yung mga ganyan. And more or less, what time are we coming back, gano'ng katagal tayo mawawala. So, yung mga ganun lang, we do it the night before. Kung minsan, parang nasasanay na rin yung mga kids, ganun na-adapt na rin nila yung ganong klase ng schedule. Yeah.
And maybe that's really good kasi they will most likely grow up having that kind of discipline, di ba? Kasi that was how they were brought up. And from what I heard basically from you is siguro kailangan meron ka talagang routine na sinusunod instead of pagdedesisyonan mo pa lang kasi yung sinasabi mo nga na yung tsaka mo palang iisipin kung anong susuotin, anong gagawin the following day. It takes energy pa to decide. Yung decision fatigue.
Oo.
Di ba?
Oo.
Para to avoid that, magkaroon na lang ng routine para hindi na pag-iisipan. Kasi kung may routine, all you have to do is to follow it. You don't have to decide magano ba ako. Parang pagpaligo, taking a bath or brushing your teeth, hindi mo na iisipin, magtutoothbrush ba ako? Ganyan. Parang automatic na magtutoothbrush ako kasi
and even the manner of how you're doing it. You're doing it unconsciously already. Hindi na, subconscious mo na lang.
Effortless. Effortless na.
So, yun yung freedom na binibigay ng discipline. Sa una, mahirap. But, pagtagal, bibigyan ka niya ng mas maraming, more energy, more time. Kasi, hindi ka na nag-e-effort. So, na lang siya, automatic na siya. Di ba? Parang you're doing it automatically. So, yun yung pag-build ng self-discipline, you have to be very, very conscious at first dun sa ginagawa mo or sa gusto mong gawin or gusto mong ma-develop. And then, later on, it will be your subconscious na lang or unconsciously, ginagawa mo na siya. Yun na siya. And hindi ka na, wala nang energy, wala nang effort na napuput there. So, now you can channel those effort or energy into something else. Di ba? Na
to bigger decisions
yan or more important things or sa season na yan ng life mo since hindi mo na iniisip yung maliliit na bagay, then you can focus on other things na that is more appropriate or needed at the moment.
Ako naman, kasi syempre hindi pa rin, minsan mahirap pa rin di ba? Mahirap pa rin. Ang naisip ko naman, yung sa kakaunting self-discipline na meron ako, na kapag meron ako talagang kailangan tapusin at kailangan ko ng discipline, what I try to do is to parang i-change kasi nga nag-evoke siya sa akin ng negative emotion di ba, yung discipline. I try to change the name instead of saying na or faking it na ay kaya ko to, I have discipline, kaya ko to, ganyan. Ang sasabihin ko na lang, I don't have discipline but I have, for example, integrity. I'm gonna say, which means I'm gonna do what I say I'm gonna do. Diba? Or pwede ko ngang sabihin na I don't have discipline but I have fear. I have fear of the negative consequences of my bad habits. Ganun. Oo, yun, mga ganyan.
Not doing it.
Yeah, or I don't have self-discipline but I have routine. Yung kagaya nung yung napag-usapan natin na I have routine and all I have to do is to follow this routine. 'Di ba? And also kasi kaya rin gusto ko ring pag-usapan natin 'to kasi gaya nga ng lagi nating nire-remind sa mga listeners natin and also sa atin rin dalawa na kaya
Mm.
natin din ginagawa 'tong Sistering with Mel and Lynn na
Mm.
podcast. Kasi we want to create a community na talagang magtutulungan tayo to
Yes, yes.
yun, we will help each other to achieve our goals. So, minsan kasi kahit hirap na hirap ka talaga or hindi mo pa na-develop
Mm.
fully yung skill ng self-discipline, minsan ang magtatawid sa'yo, ang makakatulong talaga sa'yo yung
Mm.
accountability.
Yes, yes.
Yung
True.
accountability or yung
Sobrang totoo yun.
community.
Oo, sobrang
Like
totoo.
ako nga, like ako, yung book ko, that was the only way I was able to finish it. Kinukwento ko kasi 'di ba or
Mm.
nabanggit ko dun sa book na I I started writing it para mga 7 years before ko siya
Mm,
na-publish.
mm.
Kasi rin unang-una wala akong routine na, "Oh eto dapat everyday susulat
Yes,
ako
yes.
ganito, ganitong time ganyan." Wala akong gano'n, parang susulat lang ako kung kailan ako may time. Which is alam
Mm.
naman nating hindi mangyayari kung
Hindi
hindi mo
mangyayari.
talaga
True,
siya
true. Oo.
ipa-prioritize, 'di ba? So, yun, parang wala akong consistent routine sa pagsusulat and also wala akong accountability. So,
Mm. It's
nun
okay
lang
kahit hindi matuloy, 'di
yeah.
ba, parang
O kung
gano'n.
hindi, ano naman, wala naman nakakaalam, 'di ba?
Mm,
Pero ang
mm.
dami kong actually may binili akong course before. Ano pa nga siya, parang DVD, oh, 'di ba uso pa DVD no'n as in sobrang tagal na. Tapos
Oo.
hindi ko siya natapos
Oo.
kasi parang, I don't know, hindi siguro ako nagandahan. Tapos meron pa rin akong isang biniling course, okey lang naman siya, pero the only way na natapos ko siya is nag-join ako ng community of
Hmm.
writers.
Mm.
And then dun ako nakakuha ng accountability and dun ako nagkaroon ng mga feedback na parang meron lang akong isulat, "Oh, I like this." Parang minsan may
Mm.
sasabihin ako ta's hindi nila nagustuhan, they will disagree. So
Mm.
ako unti-unti parang nabi-build yung confidence ko na, okey may sense naman pala 'tong sinulat ko or kung hindi maganda,
Mm.
okey
Correct,
scratch
correct.
ko na 'to, parang hindi pala 'to relatable
Yeah,
sa mga
oo.
readers. And then also, parang ang nagtawid na lang rin talaga kasi, halimbawa meron kang community and then the first time na sabihin mo sa kanila na 'pag kinamusta ka, "Oh, how was your goal? Were you able to do this?" Ganyan. Sasabihin mo, "Oh, I'm sorry I wasn't able to do it kasi ganito, wala akong time or
Mm.
na-busy ako, nagkaroon ng emergency," whatever. So sasabihin nila, "Okey lang yan, that's okay, that's fine." And then the next time you're gonna say it again na, "Oh, I'm sorry I wasn't able to do it." "Oh, it's okay, try again next time." Pero 'pag palaging gano'n, maybe the fourth
Yeah.
time or the fifth time,
Mm.
ano na yung mafi-feel mo,
Mauubusan ka na ng reason.
mahihiya ka na, 'di ba?
Oo, oo.
Mapapahiya ka na.
True. Hmm.
So, sa tingin ko kung minsan ang magtatawid na lang rin talaga sa'yo is shame. Parang baka yun na lang yung kailangan mo, 'di ba? Parang mahihiya ka na kasi na parang nawawala,
Oo,
yun nga yung
mag-move naman
integrity,
ako
nawawala
dito.
na yung
Oo,
yes,
correct.
kaya nga minsan pinapalitan ko siya ng integrity kasi
Mm, mm.
kailangan kung ano yung sinabi mo, gagawin mo
Gagawin
and
mo. True, true.
nauubos na yung integrity mo, 'di ba? Kapag palagi na lang sinasabi mo, "Eto, sige gagawin ko," and then
Yeah,
next
yeah,
time
yeah.
gano'n na
Oo,
naman.
oo. Tama,
So yun,
tama.
hindi naman
Oo.
para hiyain ka or pero alam mo yun, para lang
Mm.
on your own ma-feel mo na, maybe I should start doing it or I should
Yeah,
start
really
doing it
doing it.
consistently. Mm.
Yes, correct, correct. Oo, really, isa yan sa, I think, one of the things na somehow will project. You're not faking it naman,
Mm.
pero somehow will project discipline is
Yeah.
showing up.
Mm.
Showing up no matter what. Pag
Yeah.
sinabi mo, pag may appointment ka, pag may commitment, show up. Kahit, wag mo nang wag mo nang isipin kung anong pinagdaanan mo, kung anong
Yeah.
'di ba, anong ganap ngayong araw na 'to. Kailangan mo siyang
Yes.
gawin. Gawin mo
Mm.
unless you're on your deathbed, sorry. Pero ibig ko sabihin, 'di ba, kung hindi naman, kung kaya pa naman, show up. Show up
Yeah.
talaga. Even if you don't feel like doing it or
Mm.
you're heartbroken, you're very excited, you're looking forward to something na parang hindi mawala yung nandun ka na, parang gano'n,
Mm.
iniisip mo na yon, pero meron ka pang kailangan gawin, show up pa rin. Kasi that's one way. That's one way of show up kahit hindi ka nakapag-makeup. Show up kahit hindi,
Mm.
'di ba, kahit hindi masyadong alam mo yon, parang hindi mo masyado,
Mm.
na-late ka ng gising, show up pa rin,
Yeah.
parang ganon. Kasi,
Yeah.
it's really something na, may una, you'll learn from it, definitely. Yun nga, it's either mahiya ka na, lukot yung damit ko, or puyat pa ako, wala akong preparation, hindi ako nakapag, something like that. So, next time, you'll do better, 'di ba? Kaysa sa
Mm.
no show ka.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Wala kang napala, wala kang natutunan sa experience na 'yun, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So, and showing up is really good, or like yun nga sa accountability with someone, 'di ba? But for others who have developed a very good habit, or yung self-discipline talaga, sometimes it's just a matter of showing up to an object. Like example, exercising is not really, doesn't start with the routine of the exercise, but it starts with
Mm.
wearing your shoes, wearing your workout shoes or workout clothes. Kaya yung iba, di ba, kahit sa bahay lang, talagang nagsusuot pa sila ng workout clothes nila. Kasi that sets the
Yeah.
mood. Or, I showed up to my mat, to my yoga mat, di ba? Nagkita
Yeah.
kami ngayon. So, ibig
It's a
sabihin,
signal na eto na, it's time. It's time to work out.
mag-workout ako. Ganyan. So, yung mga iba, they reach that level na even to objects. Yun na yung doon na ang accountability niya sa object na. And still,
Okay.
nakikip niya yung commitment to that object na. Ngayon, gagamitin, I'll use yung function mo, magiging useful ka today kasi andito ako. Gagawin natin yung what we
Okay.
are doing together. Something like that.
Okay.
That's
And
one thing
yun.
else.
Yeah. And also siguro kailangan lalo na pag feeling mo talaga hopeless case ka na, kailangan rin magdasal, 'di ba? Guidance baka naman yun,
Yeah,
yun
true,
na lang
true.
din talaga
Oo.
yung yun na lang yung
Mm.
makakatulong sa atin. Minsan 'di ba? Tsaka hindi kasi syempre rin yung demands of
Yes,
everyday
true,
life.
true, true,
'Di
totoo
ba?
yan.
Minsan kailangan mo talagang
Nakakalunod.
magdasal para
Nakakalunod kasi,
overwhelming.
di ba? Yeah, oo.
Sa dami, hindi nauubos
Mm-mm.
yung mga kailangan gawin, no? So,
Mm-mm.
yun, we need to ask for guidance and strength para magawa
Strength.
lahat.
Strength talaga. Ako nga rin ngayon, parang may mga bagay na events naman. Events yung sa akin nakaka-distract talaga. Kasi you have to be physically and mentally there. Na hindi na nag-work yung, hindi kagaya dati. I don't know, siguro isa ako sa mga few people na na-enjoy ko talaga yung time ng pandemic na it's fine. It's okay not to go out. And people will understand or will appreciate you not going out. Parang ganyan. Parang
Mm.
okay lang. It became normal na nasa bahay lang.
Mm.
So, ang saya ko nun. Ang saya ko nun. Pero ngayon, na bumabalik na, they're expecting you to, di ba, meet them in person,
Personally.
ganyan. So, um, nag, ah, nagta-transition ako ulit. Kasi I was like, napunta sa parang comfortable or masayang state na, enjoy talaga ako na, sige, okay lang na online lang or email na lang, ganyan, so mga ganon. So parang na-create ko talaga yung routine ko na, ito, gagawin ko kasi wala akong distractions. So, kapag ngayong meron na ulit, because may mga events, tapos,
Mm.
it's not like, example, meeting, face-to-face meeting. It doesn't start naman with meeting, like the meeting time, 'di ba? May preparation ka, may
Yeah.
travel time ka, lalo na kapag dito sa atin, 'di ba, ang hirap mag-travel, like ang haba ng time that you have to allot to traveling. So yun, for events, 'di ba, ang dami mong kailangang i-prepare talaga prior to the event. And then after that, mas meron ka pa ring time na kailangan mong uuwi ka, ganyan. So, parang sobrang draining siya for me to the point na bukas, yung kinabukasan, pagod pa rin ako. Parang gano'n, hindi ko magawa yung dapat kong gawin kasi pagod pa rin ako dahil hindi ako nakapag-rest or na-exhaust talaga ako sa araw na yon. So, yun din, yung mga gano'n klase, like parang party para sa akin na yung mga parties, yung mga big events na may socialization na maraming tao, nakakabawas siya.
Drain.
Nakaka-drain. Tapos nakakawala ng rhythm. So, nawawala yung ang hirap bumalik. Mas mahirap bumalik dun sa idea. So, kagaya nun, pag event, pagod ka pa rin. So, how many days do you need to return, to be able to bounce back to your usual schedule at na hindi ka napagod, 'di ba? So yun yung isa sa mga challenges ng self-discipline kapag marami ka ng mga kaganapan sa buhay, like adulting, di ba? Parang gano'n, hindi ka na lang estudyante. Kasi pag estudyante, you have like a schedule na sinusunod,
Yeah.
and then, di ba, after that, gagawa ka ng assignment. So, parang pretty routine, may routine na talaga that's given to you. So, mas
Or
madaling
even
maging, go ahead.
or even as an employee, 'di ba?
Oh,
Kung
yeah,
employee
yeah, yeah,
ka,
true, true.
papasok
Oo,
ka eight
oo,
to
oo.
five and then out, ganyan.
Yes, 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 yes. Oo, tama, tama. So, mas madaling ma-exercise, ma-develop ang
Mag-establish ng
self-discipline. Yeah,
routine because
ma-establish
of the
ang
routine, oo.
yes. Pero kung halimbawa, di ba, yun nga ang sinasabi yung promise ng mga entrepreneur na pag naging entrepreneur ka, sarili mo ang oras mo, ganyan-ganyan. So, sa case ko yon hindi ko siya masyadong na-enjoy. I like it because I have time to cook and prepare for my family, for my kids, ganyan, nakita ko sila parate. Pero aside from that, yung structure and self-discipline, hindi siya ganun ka-effective for me. Doon ako, parang yun yung double-edged sword nun, nung you own your time, ganyan. Kasi talagang ikaw, you will
Yeah.
be, you will put more
Responsible.
effort. Yeah, you'll put
You'll
more
be
effort on developing your self-discipline.
yeah.
Kasi walang guide para sa'yo. I
Mm.
don't know, hindi ko kaya. Parang, hindi naman lahat ganun magpapasok ka rin ng 8 to 5 kahit na ikaw ang entrepreneur, 'di ba? Kasi may mga
Mm.
demands din na you have to meet somebody outside, ganyan. So,
Yeah.
yun, yung mga ganun. So, it's harder. It's harder for me, lalo sa akin. Yan.
Mm. And also tayo kasi mga kids natin homeschooled din. So we don't
Correct,
have
correct.
to
Oo.
wala tayong set time na dapat 6 o'clock nakaalis na ng bahay or
Mm,
6:30, mga ganyan.
Yeah, yeah. So, minsan yung freedom din ng time, may rin siya, nagbo-boomerang, di ba?
Oo.
Parang
Tama
bumabalik
yung
din
sabi
sa
mo, double-edged sword siya.
mm.
Double-edged sword. Kasi pag gano'n na you're student or employee, parang your schedule has been set for you. Pero kung
Yes,
entrepreneur ka nga, you are responsible for
true, true.
creating,
Creating,
the
yeah.
routine that
Setting
will
your
work
own,
for
yeah.
you.
And will eventually develop your self-discipline for you to have the freedom. Parang ganun siya sa akin. Para sa akin,
Mm.
cycle pa siya. Hindi agad freedom na bahala ka kung anong gagawin mo. Hindi kasi, it doesn't
Mm.
work that way. You won't be able to, mas mahirap para sa yung maging successful kasi, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman nag-iisa ka lang pag
Yeah.
nag-entrepreneur ka, 'di ba? Mas lalong marami kang taong kailangang maka-interact or maraming kailangan gawin. So, talagang
Yeah.
i-juggle mo yung schedule mo, and then may mga gusto ka ring gawin or i-meet na like deadlines na hindi ikaw ang nag-set. 'Di ba? Like halimbawa,
Mm.
sales calls. So, 'di ba, parang ganyan, or meeting with potential big customer. So, syempre siya yung susundin mong schedule kasi ikaw ang 'di ba? Yung mga ganon. So, hindi pwedeng sabihin, hindi ako pwede ngayon, ganyan. Syempre, ikaw ang susunod. So, bago mo ma-reach yung freedom, kailangan mo muna talagang pagdaanan yung ikaw, mag-set ka ng self-discipline mo, ganyan. So, ikaw yung
Mm.
mag-create nun. Then, you will have the freedom.
Summarize it all, kailangan talaga natin importante talaga ang self-discipline. Pero
Mm-mm.
yun nga, you really have to cultivate it, eh. Have to
Yes.
develop that skill, no?
Mm-mm.
And yun, siguro nga one way or maybe the best way is to have a routine.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
And kung mahirap pa rin, have a community para
Oo.
you'll have
Ma-force ka,
accountability.
force functioning. Yung force
Yes,
functioning
yes.
talaga, ang
Mm.
importante din.
At saka para hindi masyadong malungkot na ikaw lang mag-isa mo yung gumagawa, 'di
Oo,
ba?
tama,
Masaya rin
tama,
yung
oo, oo.
masaya yung ano, marami kayo, kita mo sabay-sabay kayong naghihirap, gano'n. Nahihirapan,
Hindi, hindi, tama, tama.
'di ba?
Para dun sa mga, for people who like, kagaya mo na parang you feel parang masyadong na, oh, na, what do you call that, na box dun sa
Mhm.
routine or what, you really have to find a way to make it fun for you.
Yeah.
Para hindi mo siya maisip na gano'n, di ba? You have to rewire it. Like, oh, this is just, like, or, I want to go there or do that because looking
Yeah.
forward ka to meeting friends or something na, di
Mhm.
ba, enjoyable. So,
Mm.
and then, eventually, marirealize mo, oh, ano siya, nagiging routine mo na rin. And, di ba, you're
Yeah.
becoming more disciplined because of that.
Mhm. And in the end, hindi mo na namalayan, "Uy, may self-discipline na pala ako."
Yes,
'Di
totoo,
ba?
totoo. Kasi hindi lang naman yun eh, may mga kasama, may mga kasunod yun, like yung preparation mo. So, magiging automatic na yun. Then, after that, what do you do? After that, like, meron ka bang kailangan mga, like, parang assignment or to-dos after that meetup, something like that. So, yeah, madidevelop and then it will be part of your, ano na, whole life. Yan.
Okay, so I think that's everything that we have to share
Oo.
about
Yes,
self-discipline.
yes. So, yeah, I guess, kung meron pa kayong sarili nyong tips and,
Yeah.
'di ba, na, and or struggles na gusto nyo, you want to ask for help or whatever, or gusto nyo lang ikwento, pwede
Yes.
naman, just you can always send us a message via our Instagram account or, dito here in this episode. So, yeah, we hope to, see you again next week here in Sistering with Mel and Dee. Bye!
Bye.